Welcome to this beautiful one-bedroom lower level apartment. It has an entrance off the front and then just down these stairs. This is a fully legal, fully permitted suite. And this is the private entrance to the apartment. And when you come inside, there is the bedroom right there. Huge bedroom, plenty of room for a queen or king size bed, lots of storage space, lots of closets, and huge windows, newer windows, so it's nice and warm in here. Everything's as it should be. Beautiful mural on the wall, some nice hardwood flooring in there. Then we'll move on to the bathroom. Everything here has been updated only a few years ago. It's very bright, it's very clean, it's got that razor plug, bath fitter, bath surround, shower, good water pressure. The drains run here, everything's good, no problems. We come out here, there are two large storage closets, one for jackets and things like that, shoes, plenty of storage, second one for whatever you can imagine, camping stuff, all your other stuff. And then as we move forward into the kitchen, again we've got those really big windows, let in a lot of light. Big windows on that side too. And there's a little seating area out there. You could go out there and chill if you wanted to. Newer appliances, newer fridge, the cabinets have all been redone. Newer dishwasher, that's a nice one. It's got newer countertop as well as the mosaic tile and the subway tile. It's got a sprayer on there. That's kind of nice. Beautiful tile work, like I said. We've got a range hood here. That's got a light on it. And then it also vents outside, so if there are any bad smells or something like that when you're cooking or you burn something, it's not going to stink up the place. It vents right outside. Another pantry closet. Nice to have that extra storage there. Extra foods and whatnot. And then moving into the living room. This is my favorite room because it gets beautiful evening sun, hardwood floors, those plastered ceilings, beautiful art deco, plastered ceilings. Again, big beautiful windows, let in a lot of afternoon sun. It's really a cozy place to hang out in the evening, watch TV, pet the cat, whatever you do, play video games, read a book. You tell me. And then back up the entrance. And the laundry is right in there. The washer and dryer, as well as some extra storage. And big windows out to the backyard, where you have area to sit and hang out and do whatever you want. As well as two parking spots back here.